In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page public. By the end, you'll know exactly how to publish a Notion page, grab a shareable link, preview it live, and unpublish it if you ever change your mind. First, head over to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the usual sign-in options. For this walkthrough, choose the option to continue with Google, then select your Google account to complete the login. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your workspace. Next, open the specific page you want to make public. Take a quick moment to scan the content for anything private or internal that shouldn't be shared. Remember, publishing makes the page accessible to anyone with the link, and depending on your settings, it may also be discoverable by search engines. With the page open, look to the top right and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control access and publishing options. In that panel, choose Publish. Notion will show a brief confirmation step so you understand you're moving the page to the public web. Go ahead and click Publish again to confirm. That two-step action helps prevent accidental publishing and ensures you're confident about making the page visible. Once that's done, your page is live. You'll notice indicators in the sharing panel confirming that status. You may also see that the discoverable on the web setting is now on, which means search engines can find your page. This can be helpful if you want broader reach. Just be mindful that public information may appear in search results over time. Now that it's published, you can share it with anyone. Click Copy Site Link to add the public URL to your clipboard and paste it wherever you need, messages, emails, or your website. If you'd like to preview what visitors will see, click View Site. This opens the live version, exactly as your audience will experience it. It's a good idea to scan the page here too, to confirm formatting looks right and that all blocks and images are loading as expected. If you ever need to take the page down, open the Share panel again and click Unpublish. This immediately removes public access while keeping your original page safely in your workspace. You can publish it again later if needed, and a fresh link will be available. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your page, share, publish, copy the link, preview, and unpublish when you're done. Simple, clear, and ready to share with the world.